Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to get live access on TikTok as a guest. So guys, first thing that you will do is to make sure you are running the latest version of the TikTok application. And once you have ensured that, just go ahead and open it up. And once you open it guys, you will see here on the top left corner of the screen live icon. And from here guys, you will see over here a multi-guest option over here, as you can see on this icon. So guys, from here you will have two options on this pop-up. You can go to settings or the pencil icon. So when you go to the settings icon, you will see here show live status or don't show live status. And when you go to the pencil, you will see here the preview of your screen and your mic before you can request. And after that, you will have this button or request in order for you to ask the live for you to join their live. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.